wonderful day mga kamarino. Wonderful day mga kamarino. Once again, this is your Kuya Dubs, ang inyong pobreng lagalag. Now, this is a second consecutive year contract, but with different vessel nga lang, na ako given a chance to cross the Panama Canal. So, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung feeling. Siyempre, masaya ako. Imagine for 2 consecutive years na nag-cross ako dito sa Panama Canal. I'll be showing you a glimpse or a video, not glimpse, of the first lap of the canal. Coming from the, how you call it, from the breakwater, and then going to the first lap of Panama Canal. For those of you who just visited my YouTube channel, please do like, share, and don't forget that subscribe button there. Likewise, the bell button, so that in such a way that you'll be notified whenever I uploaded a new video. Thank you very much in advance if you're going to do that. Anyway, in giving so, I'll be showing you the rest of this video. I hope you will like it, and also I hope you will come and join me until the end of my video. Thank you very much and enjoy the rest of the video. So, like what I had said, this is the first lap going to the or entrance of the Panama Canal. Nakita ninyo yung what's that? Yung breakwater, and also some of the vessels over there. See, waiting for their turn to pumasok dyan sa Panama Canal na ngayon, sa breakwater niya. So, yan nga yung isa sa nakatambay, isang cruise ship. Once again, that's the Panama Canal entrance, the breakwater. So now over here, we're getting ready to pick up the... No, it's not pick up, but we're getting ready to disembark yung mga technician or surveyor. No, not surveyor. Yeah, inspectors ng aming ballast tank.
So nakababa na yung ating gangway waiting for their service boat. After that, passing through na kami dun sa medyo sa Panama Canal entrance na yan, yung breakwater na yan.
By the way nga pala, ayan yung mga kasama namin dito, naka-angkla na mga vessels din, crossing dun sa kabilang side naman ng Panama Canal. Once I get this, the name of this port, dito sa entrance na ito, subukan ko sabihin sa inyo kung ano ito. So ayan, like us, naghihintay din sila ng piloto para sa kanila for them to cross the Panama Canal.
This one, kung makikita ninyo, yan dyan sa ating front na yan, sinum in natin. That's one of the vessel also na gusto mag-cross dyan sa Panama Canal. Ayun, ang daming mga nag-aantay na mga vessels, mga ships. Different type of ships yan na gusto mag-cross dito sa Panama Canal. Kasi this is the easiest way from US, I don't know, hindi kasi ako masyadong maalam dyan from US, going to Mexico and some other place. Ayun na, yung barko na nakita natin kanina dun sa bandang unahan na malapit na siya dito sa gilid namin. Isa rin siya siguro sa magiging convoy namin passing sa Panama Canal. So ito na yung ating first lap ng Panama Canal. This is called Gatun Lake. Gatun Lake. Enjoy the rest of the video, guys, and sit, relax, and I hope na kahit na papaano meron kayong maikomento regarding dito sa Panama Canal. Baka meron kayong mga kaalaman dito sa tungkol sa Panama Canal, pakicomment nyo lang sa baba. Maraming salamat and enjoy watching.
So that was it, mga kamarino. We've come to the end of our video once again. And I hope nagustuhan niyo yung video. By the way, katulad ng sinabi ko, this is the second year consecutively na napadaan ako dito sa Panama Canal. By the way, that first gate coming from US going to Mexico is called Gatun Lake. But then, maraming salamat po, and I hope na nag-enjoy yung inyong mata, nag-feast yung inyong mata kahit papaano dun sa aking ipinakita. Some of the video has an voiceover kasi during nung akong nagbi-video, medyo nagnanarrate sana ako sa inyo. Unfortunately, dun sa course of my editing, nakita ko na masyadong malakas yung hangin at hindi ako naiintindihan. Hopefully, kahit na paano, nagustuhan nyo yung aking featured video ngayon. Maraming salamat sa Lord at consecutively 2 years in a row ay napadaan ako dito. Once again, also sa inyo, maraming salamat kahit na paano sinamahan nyo ako until the end of my video. Once again, please don't forget that notification bell para kahit na paano updated po kayo dun sa ating nilalabas na video. And I hope na na-like nyo na siya, and then na-share nyo na, and also you already subscribe to my channel. Maraming salamat mga kamarino, and God bless to everybody. Keep safe.